Gong practice 193 and 194 because I did practice yesterday and it won't upload for some reason. Having some kind of malfunction with the file, so I don't want to make another 193 and then just have one missing on the channel. And people like, why is there not a 193? So might as well just let people know that's what's up. If anybody even cares, or it's just the way I am, and that's I just think about things. Maybe way too much, probably, honestly, or maybe not enough. I don't know. Anyway, today's practice. Today is 194, a little 193 in there, just like I just said. But it's Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. Almost 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. for me. Beautiful day outside today. It was raining all day. I mean, not all day, most of the day up where I'm at, and still sunny downtown, but up where I'm at, raining. And it was nice because I just stayed inside and did computer work. I have jobs that I've needed to bid for a while. I've just been pushing them off because it doesn't matter, but it does matter. And just had to take care of things. I even like clean the floor, just got the Swiffer out, got it all cleaned up, and just little things, just being present in the day. And then I had yoga at 4 p.m. down at Capilani Park. Oh, so sweet. Such great yoga, an hour and a half of restorative yoga, nice, slow, feels so good. Like, my teacher's amazing, I'm telling you, just the best yoga teacher that I know of. That's what I know. I'm her student though, for almost 2 years. February, 2 years doing yoga, and my life is transformed, my body's transformed. Just keeps teaching me new things every time, and brings such a sense of peace to my being. So much more than a physical practice. She looks into things, what the poses mean, and there's meaning behind them, and I felt it. It's just amazing. I'm just so thankful this life is the way it is. I'm so grateful that this is how my experience is, that this dream is the way it is, because this is a dream. It's no different than a dream, in that someday we'll wake up and we won't be here anymore. And it's just a moment, just a little dash of time, because what's inside of us goes forever. We're infinite. We are. And there's nothing to fear about death. It's not the end. Not the end by any means. It's just going to the next dream. The sooner people realize that, the better they'll feel. The more free you'll become. You'll find freedom in that. You'll find peace in that. Because you'll realize that as much as everything matters, it also doesn't matter. It's here to learn, experience. What do you want to do with your life? What do you want to do? Because you can do anything. You can do absolutely anything you want. I recommend doing things with the intention of love behind them. That's what I recommend. I recommend doing good deeds, planting good seeds, being thoughtful, mindful of your thoughts, your words, and your actions, helping people, being compassionate, giving as much as you can, share your experience, spread abundance, help, just help. You can help anybody. Everybody can help somebody in some way. Simple things. Learn to serve. Serve others. And you'll be blessed. That's the trick. If you call it a trick, for me, it's happiness. It's joy, for real. Like, my life is so awesome. I don't even know, how else to describe how awesome it is. I was just in a job today, and if it all goes well, it's 240 days of work. Might be over the next couple of years, but 240 days, there's only 260 working days in a year. And one job, we secure that one job, and then know that 35 people are going to be covered for a year. Like, it's so awesome. It's so awesome. And so, gotta just do more, gotta keep doing more. And this is why I just share all these amazing things about my life, because my life is amazing. But it's not like I'm saying, look at my life, it's so amazing, I'm bragging. I'm just saying it can be amazing. Everybody's life can be amazing. All you gotta do is make different choices. You gotta change the way you do things. It's not how my life was 10 years ago. It wasn't how my life was 20 years ago. No, and not at all. It's every day constantly changing, every day learning something new, every day saying, hey, guess what? Maybe what I knew yesterday wasn't right. Maybe taking time to admit you've been wrong for a long time. You don't have to be so deep rooted into your identity based on some old thoughts. Let go of those thoughts. If they're not serving you, and move forward. Raise your consciousness, raise your vibration, raise your awareness of yourself. You can, and this gong helps. This gong and yoga, gong, Kangen water, 9.5. Can't talk about that enough. Like, that's life changer. You want to know more about that? Just message me below. I'll tell you about it. I'll give you contact with somebody that can hook you up. Tell you all about it, whatever. Just sharing because it's worked in my life. I've been drinking it for 3 years and I feel amazing. So drink a gallon a day. Keeps the doctor away. I mean, it does. I mean, I don't get sick. Just drink water. Alkaline water. You think about a battery. Think about that we're highly electrical beings. We have energy surging through our bodies. In a battery, you go buy a Duracell battery and it says alkaline. When that battery goes bad, it's battery acid. It explodes. It's corroded with battery acid. People don't touch it. It's acidic, right? Well, think about our bodies. When our energy is depleted, when the alkalinity is no longer there, then the acidity raises and we destroy ourselves. But if we fill ourselves with alkaline water, fill ourselves with alkalinity and the electrolytes and negative ions, do all this stuff, it recharges your body, recharges your vessel so you can function the way you're supposed to be functioning. These bodies are current. We're electricity. We gotta stay charged. And to stay charged, you gotta think about what you're putting into this body. Is it slowing down the flow? Or is it helping it freely flow? Things you can look into. You don't have to take my word for it at all. By all means, research, because I could be full of shit. Could be, but it works for me. And this gong is part of it too, of course. That's why I'm here, to practice and to share it with others, because I love it so much and it's changed my life. Vibrations go through you, they move through you. As us being electrical beings, it helps us get back in harmony with ourselves. You get everything freely flowing, and your root chakras, or your chakras can all start flowing, and you go root to sacral, the solar plex, the heart, to throat, to third eye, to crown. Right? And you get all those freely flowing energies moving. And then the magic of Kundalini, you get this energy flowing all the way through you, and you feel just alive, just charged, just vibration that just runs through your body, like grabbing onto an electric fence, but not wanting to let go, having current through you. And that's the power that's within. It's the awareness. It's magic. And it all happens in this dream world that I live in. So, sharing the gong, what I recommend is eyes closed, noise canceling headphones if you have them, and just be present with the sounds. Turn off your cell phone or anything that may distract you. Go ahead and set the stage if you want to. Set a scene, set it up. Get out your candles, get out incense, get out crystals. If you do energy work, create a sacred space. Do some channeling of your own. Might as well do some healing do some self-healing while you're listening to the gong, or get some self-healing going now. Hit pause, do some self-healing, and come back to this and listen to the gong and let it take you the next step. Let me assist you in your own healing. How about that? Like, I'm just doing it for my own practice, but I'm always playing with the intention of love and just raising the vibration of the planet. So it's always good stuff. There's no negativity coming from me whatsoever, because why would I do that? My life is what I believe it to be, and if I just wanted it to be a positive world, then I'm putting positivity out there every single day. The outer world is but a reflection of the inner. And so my inner world is full of light, or at least I believe it is, and then my day is so bright and so joyous, and that can all be everybody's. That's all I mean, unless people want to be in the dark, that's fine. If you want to be, you do you, you know? Everybody can do their own thing. I just like how I feel, and I like it'd be cool if other people felt the way I felt, or the way I feel. Or at least I think it'd be good. Maybe that's wrong of me to think that. I don't know. Either way, turn off your cell phone, like I said. If you want to be awake and listen, be awake and listen. Just don't drive a car or operate any heavy equipment, because you may zone out. Don't want anything to happen to you or anybody else. But I do recommend to get the most out of it. Just be with the sounds. Be with the sounds. Just be present. Focus on your breath. However you want to breathe, just focus on your breath. If your mind starts wandering, come back to your breath. If you feel the urge to sneeze, cough, anything like that, tingling sensations, just accept it. It's just your body accepting the energy. Let the energy flow. Do not resist it. You're here to let the energy free flow. Resisting doesn't help. Then you're just, what are you doing? Just be. Just learn to be present and be with the sounds. And I'll wake you up when I'm done. 30 quick minutes. So enjoy. Thank you for being here. Thank you, for real. I appreciate it. See you in 30 minutes on the other side of this journey. Slowly come back to yourself. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Wiggling your fingers and toes, wrists and ankles. Welcoming yourself back into this body. A moment of appreciation for being present with the sounds. How was it for you? For me, it was great, as always. Just making noise, having fun. But playing, just playing, just playing, just play, just play. Smile, have fun. That's what life's about, enjoying all of it. If you have anything you'd like to share about your experience, feel free to do so. It may help other people remember what they experienced. For me, I just go into this little zone. I'm just like staring at the floor. I don't even know what's going on. I'm just striking the gong, and then I look up, and there goes 10 minutes. I don't know. It's just how it happens. It's what it is. But yeah, I still feel great. Man, felt great before practice. Felt great after practice. Loving it. 5 principles of Reiki. I share those every single day because I do and I can, and I think about it every day because it helps me keep it in check, honestly. Just for today, I will not anger. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I'll be grateful. Just for today, I'll be kind to others. Excuse me. Just for today, I'll focus on my work. And today I did all those things, honestly. No anger, no worrying. Grateful for everything as usual. Kind to people. And I focused on my work. Got work done today. So, not that focusing on your work is directly talking about your occupation, but it's just whatever you choose to do. Make sure you're focusing on what you're doing. It's being present in the moment of what you're doing. You're like a great artist. They don't rush. They stay present in the moment. And they paint. It's no rushing. And that's what it's about. That's what life's about. It's just for today. It's an understanding that we all have a choice. Everything we do is a choice. And all we have is today. Tomorrow is gone. No. Tomorrow hasn't come yet, right? Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow hasn't come yet, but it'll never come. Because when you go to sleep and you wake up, the next calendar day is now today. It's not tomorrow, right? It never comes. All you have is now. A lot of people spend a lot of their time thinking about the past and thinking about the future. And they're missing out on right now, on the opportunities that lay before them right now. Now, I do think about the future often. And I know that I have to do certain things now for my future to be the way I want it to be. I have to plant the seeds. I have to plant the seeds, and I got to keep fertilizing them. I got to keep pushing it forward, because that's what I don't say when I say that I got to, I have to. I choose to, because I want this amazing future for a lot of people. And it's not going to happen if I just sit idly by thinking about it. I got to put thought into action, and it's happening now. Got people helping me, and it's amazing. It's going to happen so much faster now, just by a couple little things, couple little tweaks. You gotta accept the help that's there. You gotta just be accepting. People want to help you, then let them help you. And you have to remember that you need to extend your hand to help others. The more people you help, the more people want to help you. It's a crazy little thing like that. It's just a circle. It's how energy flows. Maybe that's what it's about, is a free flowing of energy. You don't want to be, you don't want to be a dam. You don't want to stock up all the water, become stagnant, have flies and stuff, mosquito. You want to be a free flowing river. Free flowing. And that's the same with help, that's the same with love, that's the same with everything, abundance, money. Let it pass through you. Don't hoard it. What good is it doing you? It's just a piece of paper. Live, help other people, help. Like during all this COVID thing, I've been just doing private lessons, private yoga lessons. And it's amazing, because it's all the money, not all of my money, but it's a portion of the money that I earn. That's a physical representation of how I value my time. It's my stored energy is what it is. It's my stored energy in a bank account. and then I'm giving it to somebody to help me become better. So I'm really investing it in myself, and it's helping somebody else. It's so amazing if you think about stuff when you do things for yourself. It's the dollar is going to somebody, but it's also coming back into yourself. You're reinvesting in yourself. You're putting your energy back into yourself. And that's a cool circle to have. Meanwhile, you're helping somebody else experience their experience. So it's just, you change your perspective on things. You change how you see things, and the world changes because you see things differently. See, the world is different when you start looking at it at a different perspective. That's the beauty of everything. It's like when you're a child, adults seem so tall. You know, you might have somebody in your family member, you only saw them when you were a kid, and they seem so tall, and you see them again in 10 years, and you're like, oh, I remember you were so much taller. That's because you were only 2 feet tall when you saw them last time, and now you're 5 feet, you're 6 feet tall, right? So it's the same thing. It's our perception changes, our perspective changes, and things look different because of that. If we change the way we think about things, then the world changes how you see it. If you see the world differently, then it becomes beautiful more quickly, because all you're seeing is the good. You're no longer focusing on the bad, because the stuff that you focus on grows. It doesn't just grow on the external, it also grows on the internal. It dwells, it builds. The darkness will take over quickly if you dwell on it too long. It doesn't take too long, because once you start dwelling, it builds, and then one thought builds on the next thought, and then the next thought, and the next thought, and soon you're consumed with these bad thoughts. And then you look around and the whole world's awful because of these bad thoughts. But you don't need to do any of that, any of it. Just think good thoughts. Peter Pan. Just think happy thoughts. And you can fly. Like, Tinkerbell knew what was up. There's so many magic things in Disney. Walt Disney had such a great vision, and it's really sad that they thought it's just been really perverted into a greed conglomeration, conglomerate. Like, it's take one man's vision and to pervert it. But he still had a lot of good ideas, and great person. I read his book, and I read a book about him, and just a lot of things I learned about Walt Disney. In book, you should read it sometime. Being Like Walt, something like that. I don't know what it's called exactly, but you can Google it. I don't even know why I said whatever. That's just what's out in my brain right now. So thanks for being here. Another video tomorrow. Hopefully this one uploads, and then it'll be back on track. Yeah, I appreciate it. I love you all. I really do love everybody. That's what we need, is love in the world. Just help. Just be good. Laugh more, love more, and smile more. Because smiling is infectious. As you smile, other people smile. And other people smile. And then it just ripples effect, and everybody's smiling all because of your one smile. You can change the world by just doing this. Hello. How are you doing today? Just that simple. That's a nice hat you're wearing. See, little compliment. Are those new shoes? No way. Check out those sunglasses. Just simple things you can say. Whatever. Anyways, have a great day, great night, great whatever it is for you. I appreciate it. Thanks again.